Evil Empire, laughing all the way to the bank.
Dang, boy. See, I need an M. As soon as I walk in the bank.
Bro.
What you doing? You on a hub.
Bro, what are you talking about?
I need some glasses, bro. They come in like a week. What's poppin', YouTube? It's your boy Darius 3 times. We got Caiwarc in the back. What that slow BMW he got? Slow N54. But, you know, I'm the slowest down. You know, 4 cells on top now. But I don't know what's planned for today. We just decided to pick the cameras up and record. So, whatever I do, I'm gonna tune back in. Huh? Look, y'all, he recording and stuff now. Dang.
Joe, wait, why is it like that?
Y'all was on the Caiwarc vlog, his first vlog, bro.
Why is it like that? Looks weird.
But I don't know what we really got planned today, other than going to his cousin's house. But I'm gonna tune back in as soon as we figure this John out. Cause
my pocket shot all of my niggas, I love them and some of them love me. 90,000 on my wrist, you ain't buying shit. Play on that shit, that's what I'm down for.
I'm not rapping.
Slow N54. Yo, can I get your autograph, dog? Can I get your autograph? Look at the car, y'all. I need to paint my rims like ASAP, bro. I need to get them black, but it's sit clean though. It's sit clean though, bro. It's sit clean. And look, it's like this his build, y'all. He ready to get it right real quick. Clean. Top, yeah, bro.
I gotta make sure my phone take it up. What's your name, real quick?
Where?
It's like right there.
Is he? He not here?
Not you? No. 7 minutes. I gotta get on everything anyway.
Dang, boy. Turbos.
What?
Said it was a turbo leak, wasn't it?
It's probably a blue sleep.
Yeah.
I can't see shit.
Oh, the zone quick run. Colin got by something real quick. Told you I don't know what we doing. Going with the flow. How you doing? You know what you get? Out of zone with it, dog. Muffler seal. Man, if you'll just get some 3M it's like
We don't got one. We don't got another one. That might be good.
they probably got some like decent stuff in here though, for like small little car parts. It's not it. Exhaust clamp.
I'm guessing it's at the bottom. but it's like nothing leaking.
Hot as fucking here.
I don't know.
God damn. Start the car. So you can hear the boots. Cause
Oh, should I start the car?
oh, that's gay. Your car starts perfectly fine now.
No, it starts perfectly fine now. Like
spark plugs, bro.
alright,
You me a running? Pop this out, though. You low-key can pop this out. You take the wheel liner off and just pop this out. It's gonna have little scratches there.
I look good like that.
You're right.
Look cool like that.
Got your little camber going.
Nah.
Yo, got the camera, bro.
Nah.
You do. Look.
I need some spaces.
You do.
Like, I need some spaces.
Yo, if you're not bring with dog, I can give you my drive pack.
Bro, I need to fix the car.
We're gonna do one pull.
That's gonna blow.
Drive track gonna break.
Cook. Just be like, bro, like, there's no way, bro. I'm not gonna lie, bro. The other day when that shit wasn't coming on, I was scared, bro. That shit was
Bro.
scary in my heart.
Cause your damn battery's on -%.
It was scary though, bro. I was like,
We just
bro,
spent
it's no
$300
way,
on the
bro.
battery at the AutoZone.
I was like, bro, it's no way.
We was in the AutoZone parking lot figuring out what tools because they didn't have the right tools on AutoZone. I ain't feel like going to work to get tools.
Oh, that's why you called me for the jumper cables?
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. We went out we drove out
It was like
the driveway. He died right there.
Right behind
Right
that
there.
car.
Right behind the blue car. The car just turned off.
I was like,
That's
bro.
how bad his battery was.
Yo, and then when
But your battery light did keep coming on, though.
Huh?
Your battery light did
That's a
keep...
brand new battery.
Your battery light it kept coming on at first.
And if it dies, we can get another one. We got that warranty. Yes.
Yo, I really do need to get some tin. I'm not gonna lie. I'm looking at this. Like, yeah.
Me say it.
It's a problem.
It's a problem.
Yo, I low-key do need to get some tin.
Yo, I'm trying to tell you, Friday, I can get y'all right with the tent. I paid $150 for my tent.
That thing might come in Friday.
You want to?
If I get all my work done. Yeah.
You said if I get paid?
Yeah, you better get paid. You better go home,
Lock in.
log in. Don't go to sleep till 5 in the morning. Do it again the next day.
Bro, listen to what you
I'm
just
at work
said,
from
bro.
7 to 7.
Listen to what you just said, bro. Like,
I'm trying to help you get the bread. I gotta work 7 to 7
That don't
tomorrow.
even sound human.
I'm the only man.
It's not healthy, bro.
For real.
Bro,
I'm definitely ready to do
my
that.
job before I'm at right now, bro, I was working 15-hour shifts. And you telling me that's not healthy.
I'm definitely ready to do that, though. But it's different, bro. You moving around. I'm sitting in one spot on the computer. Think about that, bro.
You don't gotta sit around. You can go to Darius' house and get the work done.
Then I'm not gonna get the work done. Come on, bro.
I'm
I'm
just
just be
saying,
sitting
bro.
at the desk doing. I'm probably watching movies though.
Is that you got a TV you can turn towards you? You got a computer right here. Maybe you can take a break, play some card. You know what I'm saying?
No breaks.
Okay.
No brakes, all
You
gas.
say it's a problem.
No breaks, bro. Bro, I'm not about. I don't even know. Just get the shit done.
Like, you get this shit done before Friday. You got 2 days, 2.5 days. Cause this day's halfway over.
Wednesday?
Yes.
Damn. All right, yeah. Break on the house.
Yeah, I'm already knowing, bro.
Fuck with you, bro. Look, you can see him.
You leaking?
Cool him.
Oh, that's not fake.
See him.
Oh. Well.
First time I leaked in a minute.
Wow. Do you need a whole radiator for that? Like what? Yo, you might not even need a whole radiator.
Once I let it sit, I'm like,
I just BMW fucking shit.
yep. Time to go chill in your house real quick.
Shit, come on, bro. I just fuck out here. Just take your key. Ain't nobody gonna rob me. This white neighborhood.
Dang, boy.
Yeah, but
What happened?
he pulling up at Darius' house with the 540. He pulling the down pipe on. And a big turbo. I'm racing your brother. He don't got a 435 no more?
Mm-mm.
Oh,
He got Audi now.
he's definitely getting walked. Ace drive 540, no seats, drag pack. Oh, y'all put the wheel.
You got it?
Yeah, put the wheel.
I can't fucking that. Like, I'm on that kind of phone, bro.
Or you can get the
Don't
engine
stress
cake,
it
use
now.
that part strike pull. If you put the
Bro,
engine
I'm
cake,
not even stressing.
Yes, you are,
yes,
bro.
you is, bro.
Bro,
Alright.
How you gonna tell me what I'm doing?
Bro, look how you laid down, bro.
I can't just lay down.
Let's go make a car TikTok. What you said? I don't do shit about that car, bro.
I said I don't want to hear nothing about no car.
Bro, you can literally go make a TikTok real quick, bro. Then you can be like, dang, this hard. Yo, your energy gonna get up. I'm telling you.
Think my energy gonna get up, bro?
Yeah.
Damn. When I get the new V, bro, I gotta take y'all niggas to the pick spots. I gotta take y'all niggas to the boat dock, to the great parking garage, bro.
Yeah, I don't know no spots yet.
Yeah, bro, I gotta take y'all niggas to the spots, bro.
I don't know, bro.
Rocky.
Cause that's what happened before.
We need spark plugs, bro.
It's too fucking hot.
Then you may have to get spark plugs now. Have to return the ones you have.
Bro. Just wait.
That's spark plugs, bro.
That was kind of better than it started before, though.
Yeah, put it in drive. Turn off.
Huh?
Turn off.
Damn.
Spark plugs. Nigga need spark plugs, bro. God dang.
I'm just trying to
You
get home.
fucking spark plugs, bro.
I'm just trying to get home.
You need spark plugs, bro.
Bro, it drove fine coming up here though. That's the crazy part.
Cause it's hot. Remember what happened? He told me yesterday. You let the car sit for a couple hours and it was fine.
Yep, so what time is it? Alright,
Stick
this bitch at 1:30.
What time is it? Nigga, we getting food. Then hop in the car, yo.
I'm not getting shit.
No, we getting food. Hop in my mom's car. Let this bitch sit.
I'm not getting shit, bro.
Hungry.
I'm going to lay down, bro.
Yo. We need food. DoorDash?
Blood is tripping. We could. I mean, bro.
Take number 7.
Number 3. Yo, should I even try? Like, I don't even want to try.
Try. It's like nothing's leaking, bro. It's just that you need spark plugs. When you don't have a BMW and you don't have spark plugs, your car sound like a damn Hellcat. Now I mean to say Camaro. Literally.
If it don't start, instantly turn it off.
What the fuck?
What? What?
Oh, I thought you tried to start it. That bitch
No, I
didn't crank.
didn't even try to start it. Should I even try?
You gotta try. Nah, you gotta try later today.
What you think?
Give it a run. Test drive. Yeah, give it. Up. Doing it. Turn it off.
Hold up.
No. Turn it off.
Alright, come on, bro.
I told this nigga to turn it off. This nigga gonna put it in drive. That's what makes a big ass pop.
I put it in reverse. Just to see.
No.
Oh, I'm good.
Don't need anything?
This shit here, I'll come back later, bro.
Alright, Brody.
We be back.
Maybe see you later with a 540, maybe.
Alright, YouTube, man. As you can see, we in the car now, and that's going to, I think, let's wrap this video up, because I ain't really got nothing else planned for today. I'm about to just go chill in the house now, so yeah, just gonna wrap this video up. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. Follow the TikTok, the Instagram, and all that. And I'm on the road to 1K subs, man. I need y'all to sub up, help your boy hit 1K. It's gonna be a big milestone. I don't know what kind of video I want to do for my 1K yet, but just help your boy out. Subscribe, man. Tune into all the other content, my gaming page, all of that. And as y'all seen earlier in this vlog, my man's Caiwarc, he started his YouTube journey today. I don't know if he gonna edit it today or tomorrow or whatever, but y'all go tune into his channel, man. And much love to y'all. Stay tuned, and I'm out. Peace.